In this video, I am going to show you how to make your account public. So if you have a private TikTok account and you want to change it to public, I am going to show you how. And also guys, I'm going to show you how to get 1000 TikTok followers for free in just 1 minute. So keep watching. I am going to show you first how to make your TikTok account public. So let's get started right now. So the first thing guys to do is you want to open your TikTok account, of course. And click your profile at the very bottom right, and as you can see here in the top, you can see my profile is private. So I made it private for some reason. So if you want to make your TikTok account public, all you have to do guys is click the three little lines in the top right corner, as you can see here, and then you want to click settings and privacy, the second option. And after that, as you can see here guys, the first option, you want to click on manage account. Okay, so if you click on manage account, you will see here, no, you don't have to click on manage account. You want to go back and then click privacy, the second option. Just click privacy and then check this. Okay, it was private. If you want to make it public, just check this and then click switch at the very bottom right. You click switch, and now we have a public account, as you can see here guys. If you want to get 1000 followers just like I did on my other accounts in just 1 minute, click in the video in the screen right now. As you can see here guys, at the very bottom, a lot of followers. You can do the same thing. Click in the video in the screen right now and drop a like on this video if it helped you. See you guys.